Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bose sound system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, PPO, security system, fog lights. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.